The girl called the security guard of the apartment complex, as she was worried about the knocking and scratching in the drain pipe of her house. The guard immediately understood what exactly happened and began to clean the pipe, as there was no other way to get to the one who was stuck there. He asked the girl for something long that could squeeze into the pipe and help perform the rescue operation, but she only had a scoop, which the guard used to clean the drain pipe. Time after time, he tapped it to shake out what he could get, and with each time he heard that the one he was trying to save was getting closer to the exit. But at the same time, he was getting more and more panicked, as he did not understand what was happening at all and why the walls were shaking. Finally, after a few minutes, the remaining dirt began to fall out of the drain pipe, and Chipmunk appeared, who had unsuccessfully jumped and was trapped, from which he could no longer get out on his own. And only thanks to these people will he continue to live a normal life.